All right, y'all. Here we are. Go check our feeders and see if they held up to the squirrels. It's been 2 or 3 weeks. There's my little buddy. He's going with me. All right, we'll move on. All right, we here at the first feeder. The screens is still holding in place. But they corn in it. Oh, about that. I didn't figure there'd be no corn in it. I'm gonna put a few bags in it and move on. I hadn't been back in here in a little while. Probably 2 or 3 weeks. Looks like they've had the forestry chipper back in here. Somebody has. There was trees down everywhere from Elaine. Ground them all up. Man, that looks good. Things do a good job. There's probably 100 or more trees down right in here. They ground every one of them up. It's all pines. Man, it really looks good. There's still more, but they got a bunch of them. All right. We're at the second feeder. See the corn in it too. I don't understand that. Don't look like there's been no deer here. Maybe they won't come to the feeders during deer season. I don't know. They sure corn still in them. I didn't put much in it when I put it in last time, about a half a bag. All right, I got 4 bags there I'm gonna put in. They don't eat no more than they've been eating. That'd be all I need for the winter. Right. See, they're getting much. Corn still in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put these other bags in. Move on. It's almost a full bin there. That'll probably last for a while. This feeder here's got corn in it too. I don't know, it just don't seem like ain't no deer in here. Corn I dropped on the ground 2 or 3 weeks ago. Still here. Maybe it's cause it's deer season. And they just not coming to the feeders. Called the owner. Asked him if he's seen any on the cameras. Just disappears like there ain't no deer in here. My little buddy, he's leaving. He thinks I'm gonna make him get on the cart and ride. He don't get too close to me. He wants to get a head start on me. It's been dry for a while here in western North Carolina. Little always drunk water right there. You can can see it's dried up. A little spring, but it's gone right now. Pretty this time. Covered in leaves. The wire put in all of them but this one here. We'll do it now. I drilled the holes and all, I just didn't put the wire in. If I could see. That one. It's kind of tough. Gonna do it. Pinch this way a little bit. That'll do it. Put a little glue. Holes that I drilled. You can see the wire sticking through. Yeah. Just barely, but you can see the wire sticking through right there. What's holding it, holds it in there. All right, corn in it. Be that on this project. All right, y'all, that's it on the deer feeders. I think I've done all I know to do. Try to keep the squirrels out. I'm down here at the pond right now. Little fixing to head home. Boy out. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. I'll see you on the next one.